Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $30 in 30 seconds using Google Translate. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. Let's make this video go viral, guys. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now, before I get into this method, I want to tell you this. We did not make it to 6,000 subscribers by March the 31st. So guys, we got to make it in April. So I'm extending this free money giveaway. So if you're new to my channel, please click on that link in the description below to become eligible for the free money giveaway. So you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. Just follow those instructions, guys. So what I want you guys to do is let's share this video everywhere. Every video that I drop, share it everywhere, guys, because I'm going to drop a video every day until we make it to 6,000 subscribers. We got to get there, guys. I want to get there fast. So I'm going to keep delivering this good content every day for you guys. So do me a favor and share this everywhere. And hit that like button. That's going to help this video. Please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at Google Translate. So to find Google Translate, you just go in Google and type in Google Translate and it pops up. So let me just show you how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and type something in here. Get your grind on. Now, as you can see, as I'm typing, I got it set in Spanish. It pops up over here. So that's how that works. So what I'm going to do is take you to a website where they're going to pay you to translate. They're going to pay you to translate languages. And all you're going to do is copy the language they want you to translate, take it over here to Google Translate, and translate it to whatever language they want you to translate it to. So let me go ahead and go to the website and show you how you can make this money translating languages. Okay, guys, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Higher Sign. Now, on this website, you're going to make some good money just translating languages. So once you come here, you're going to click right here where it says current openings. So it's going to take you here, and they have all the jobs that's available right here. So we're going to look for translation jobs. Okay, as you can see here, here's language translation jobs. And check this out, guys. You can earn $10 to $30 per page. So translation of various document formats from one language to another. Let's just click on it. So as you can see here, is full-time and part-time remote positions. And right here, they said they need writers, and you're going to get paid from 30 to 45 an hour, guys. No experience needed. They train. So all you have to do, guys, is just come here and whatever they give you, you just translate it. And here are all the different languages they probably want you to translate to. And Google Translate has all these languages: Spanish, French, Arab, Hindu, German. Guys, this is a good opportunity to make some good money, really doing some easy work. And they got skills right here. And like I said, you don't really need that many skills to do this. Just be able to translate some languages. So you just come on here and apply for this job, and they'll let you know if you're hired and when you can start making this money. Now, I'm going to show you another website that you can also get paid to translate languages, because you just don't want to rely on this site right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to another site. So please stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm at the next site, and the name of this site is Akaro. And I'm at the jobs page. So all you're going to do is just scroll down here and look for jobs. You're going to click on jobs when you come to this site. And as you can scroll down here and see, they got linguistics freelancer. So they got all different type of freelance jobs, guys, that you can apply for. So it doesn't matter what type of language you speak. All you have to do is just use Google Translate to translate any type of language they want you to translate to. And of course, you have to come here and apply for these jobs here too. Let's just click on one right quick. So here's one right here. So this is a linguistic freelancer, Brazilian Portuguese, creative freelance translator editor. Now I know they said right here you have to have 3 years and some experience on that, but they have plenty of other jobs where you don't have to really have that much experience. But if you do have experience translating, this would be perfect for you. And these jobs also pay up to like $30 an hour. So guys, that's 2 websites I gave you that you can make some money just by translating languages. So to get started on this website, just go to akaro.com. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every day. Now guys, please type this, because that's going to pop up on the screen right now. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances on winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. Okay guys, one other thing I want to do. I want to give a shout out to this person. They drop a good comment. I liked it. I'm going to pop up on the screen right now. Thank you for your comment. Appreciate it. And hope you have subscribed, and please share this video. Okay guys, that's it. Road to 6,000. Let's get there in the month of April. And what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to drop a video every day, because the more videos are dropped, the more videos you guys can share and more videos you guys can like, so we can attract more potential subscribers to this channel. So let's do this, guys. Road to 6,000. Here we come. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.